right, now I want you to flip to example 7. Example 7 on for the rest of this packet is a little bit different because they're asking for the difference between these two things, which is why we have switched to subtraction. So the first part is the same. We're going to set up our boxes. I have 7x plus 3 times x minus 9. And we're going to fill those in. So to fill in the first box, 7x times x is 7x squared. Top right corner, 7x times negative 9 is negative 63x. Bottom left corner, 3 times x, 3x. Bottom right corner, 3 times negative 9 gives me negative 27. So when I'm done with that question, I bring it into the first set of parentheses, 7x squared. I combine my like terms, negative 63 and 6 gives me negative 60x, and then minus 27. Now I'm going to move over to the box on the right, 5x plus 3 times x plus 1. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 1 gives me 5x. 3 times x gives me 3x. And in the bottom right corner, 3 times 1 gives me 3. Now I'm going to add that up and bring it into my second set of parentheses. 5x squared comes down. 5x plus 3x gives me 8x, and then plus 3. Now we're going to subtract these. And so the reason this is a little bit different is when we have a minus here, it's really minus 1. And that means we have to distribute that to everything. We have to break these things out of parentheses. So the first set of parentheses is still not really doing much because it's positive. But now for the second set, we have to distribute that negative 1. And when we do that, we get minus 5x squared. Negative 1 times 8x gives me negative 8x. Okay, negative 1 times 8x gives me negative 8x. Negative 1 times positive 3 gives me minus 3. Now I'm ready for the combining like terms step. 7x squared minus 5x squared gives me 2x squared. Negative 60x minus 8x gives me negative 68x. And negative 27 minus 3 gives me negative 30. So I've got my answer, and I just need to go to the back to check and see if that is an answer. So we are looking for 2x squared minus 68x minus 30. Here it is. Dark blue is number 2. I am double checking 2x squared minus 68x minus 30. All of my signs are correct. Everything has to match. Oops, that wasn't question 2 though. We're doing number 7 right now. Sorry. So number 7 is dark blue. And we can either color it or label it. I think most of you will choose to label. So the answer to question 7 is dark blue. So the rest of the packet, you should be modeling after the 2 examples that I just did with you.